Start with monthly chart. We have more than 40-year-old bull market trading in this blue channel. Midline of this channel was tested twice with high of wave 1 and low of 4th wave. When nobody was thinking about it, people ignore it because they do not know about gold standard. Last month candle was closed right at boundary of this channel, and this month candle is flying outside this channel. If we draw Fibonacci extension, compare it to 4th wave, we have two more bullish target. If we compare it to 3rd wave, which will give us maximum target, first 2017.7. Gold tried it yesterday and the next target is 2715 before it go to $3,000. If gold pull back for intraday, that would be crash. We have three important support: 1921, 1803 and 1787. Pullback to 1921 is highly anticipated. Do not wait for 1700. You cannot sell gold against 4-decade-old bull market unless you have strong reason. We will give you many reasons. Next three monthly candle include this month are extremely important for gold. August, September, October, November. Before the closing of November month candle, we will have clear answer who will win 2020 election. According to me, Trump will win because nobody can win against him. Before closing of that candle, everything would have changed. Remember Diwali October 2019 when gold was going up? Its bear market started and last till December. When SP 500 broke this resistance line, gold started crashing. Gold broke 1500 psychological resistance. If we zoom in this chart, then SP 500 broke that level in third attempt. Investors sold gold. SP 500 going to test that similar horizontal resistance again. This was the high of stock market before coronavirus market crash. When market went down from here, gold trend became bullish and took U-turn from 1670. That was the start of second wave of coronavirus. Same with Dow Jones Industrial Average. Gold was red in November 2019 because back then Dow Jones Industrial Average broke that resistance level in third attempt and made new all-time high before coronavirus. It will retest that level before November 2020 election. Nobody can win the election if stock market down and SP 500 is already up. Another reason is dollar index. Every pair in forex has two currency, one on left and right. This is why forex is hard for stock trader. You have to understand two economies at the same time. Gold was currency in gold standard and dollar on right side is also a currency. Entire bullish trend of dollar index has completed in 5 wave. This is reason why currency pair like Australian dollar, Euro USD, GBP USD are going up with gold. This dollar bearish trend is going to end. Last reason and why next 3 monthly candle on gold chart are important. Last month we get US GDP data that came extremely low and gold broke above 1800, 1900 and $2000. If you look at the chart, it broke the low of 2007 financial crisis and bent to low of Second World War because entire US economy was stopped due to lockdown. Every next economic data will create positive market sentiment that would be bad for gold and good for stock market. Gold would retest 1921 because lots of people are waiting for that second chance if gold goes $3,000.